Today I'm bringing all the cool toys out. The ATVs, the dirt bikes, the FPV quads, they're all on board, ready to be used for an epic video. So Insta360 challenged me to create something epic with their brand new One RS camera. That's exactly what I'm planning to do in today's video. So let's check it out, see what we can come up with, and let's go. So this is the current lineup, the dirt bike of my friend Danny. Then we have this Yamaha Raptor 700, which is just a beast. It's sold out, it's going to make you deaf in a minute. We have some of the quads already out, ready to be used. And of course, I have the One RS in my hand, which I plan to start using as a 360 camera strapped on the back of the ATV. And then of course, I'll put it on one of my drones, fly with it. And I'm really excited because the shot possibilities are just endless here in this beautiful location, so should make some for really cool footage. Alright, so let me share some impressions after giving this camera a go for a longer period of time and after using it for this specific video that you just saw. So the One RS is a very impressive camera in my opinion for a couple of reasons. First off, it's a very versatile camera because of the way that you can use it as an action camera and as a 360 camera depending on your needs. The fact that you can swap the lenses very quickly and turn this from a 360 into an action camera and vice versa is one of my favorite things about it.
Let's hit the dance floor. Don't work too hard, might break a backbone. Return of the Mac, the king is back though.
Usually I'm a big fan of 360 video, but I'm even a bigger fan of FPV videos recorded with a camera like this. So obviously my main concern is how this camera performs on an FPV drone. So personally, I'm a huge fan of the stabilization this camera offers. The flow state stabilization is great. And the one that I'm specifically using here on this One RS camera is the post stabilization. You can select FPV when you are stabilizing your footage with the Insta360 Studio application. So personally, I think this FPV stabilization on the One RS is great. and it's not, I don't know how to explain that, but I don't think it looks fake as sometimes Gyroflow and Real Steady do. This has a little bit more natural look to the stabilization, so that's something that I definitely like, and I almost don't notice any negative things about the stabilization with the FPV footage coming from this camera. So for me, it is a great contender when it comes to picking the right action camera for FPV. Next, I want to talk about the colors coming from this camera. And you have a couple of different options when it comes to picking the right color profile for you. On the One RS, you have Vivid, Standard and Lock color profiles on this camera. I have used vivid colors a lot, which is something that I usually never do. I always pick the flattest color profile available on any single camera, but this, I've been using vivid color profile on this camera a lot, and I'm only tweaking some colors slightly to make them look mine. But the lock color profile is also something that I plan to dive a little bit deeper, but to be honest, I prefer to use lock color profile when I have the most control with this camera, and this is when I have ND filters for it. Currently, Insta360 does not have any ND filters for this 4K boost lens, which is a bummer. So for now, I am using automatic camera settings. I cannot lock my shutter, and I've been finding it out to be not a huge problem, but at least I want to have that control if I have the chance to. So when they come out with their ND filters, which they told me is going to be soon, I will have full control, and I will be able to use lock color profile and lock my shutter speed and use all the manual settings that I normally do use on any other camera. But for now, I have been using this in automatic camera settings, and I actually quite enjoy the end results. They are a little bit more stuttery compared to the ones that are recorded with some ND filters, but like I said, this is going to be fixed soon when they do release those ND filters on the market. So currently, Insta360 is hosting a big sale for the most popular cameras they have to offer, such as the Go 2, the One RS, the One X2 and some other ones. So make sure you click the link in the description if you want to learn more about this sale, and you can get some nice free gifts when you purchase a camera with this link. I'm really interested to hear your thoughts on the footage coming from the One RS. Let me know in the comment section below. Do let me know if you have enjoyed this video by clicking on the like button and subscribe for more videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching. This is Mike from Drone Supremacy, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ciao.